Okay, so I just wanted you guys to get an idea of scale of this Rock Elm impact crater. So pretend that this little guy, this is the car that I was driving over that impact crater. It's skating right next to the central uplift right there. Here's the central uplift, and oh geez, our car just blew over. So these are also the hurricane force winds which are associated when an impact hits the earth. So, oh geez, there it went again. So we're still looking at the central uplift, and we're going out. And so this is like the crater shape, right? It's got this bowl-shaped depression, and we have that little itty-bitty flopped over car, and the central uplift, which is about to like keel over, it looks like. So this is like the south rim that I was standing on, and this is like the north rim where that farm was. And then this is the central uplift, which was the Cambrian Mount Simon Formation, so that's sandstone. This is older, and then we have these younger Ordovician rocks. Oh geez, they went the central uplift. Gosh, these hurricane force winds that are caused by impacts are just terrible. Yeah, you can kind of just see the morphology of the crater from a cross-sectional view rather than trying to figure out obliquely. So there you go. Alright, so now we're going to talk about those basin films that fell into the middle of the crater. So here we are on the south rim of the crater, and we're looking at the north rim right there. And this guy is going to be our sediment, and that's our central uplift down there, right? So central uplift, this big impactor comes in, it's like sends all these shock waves in, and then the rarefaction waves come back. Things are getting pulled out of the middle of the crater, and the sediment actually, after the crater kind of like settles down, after it's had its tantrum, the sediment is actually on this way oversteepened cliff right here. And so we're going to test how the basin fill formed. The crater has kind of like calmed down, and the sediment right here is actually going to fall into this crater, and it's going to just represent how basin fill happens. So here goes our sediment. Goodbye! Ah! So you can see how the basin fill gets pushed towards the central uplift there. So isn't it great how you can use action figures for sediment and cars at the same time? I just love it.